Hello there, welcome to yet another interesting episode on Where Fresh Meets Flavor. Today I'll be sharing with you how to grow spinach or palak in your garden and how you can make an interesting dish out of it. Start with simple 10 rupee packet of seeds and you can harvest up to 4 times with these seeds. Now for the last part of this video, let me share my secret Indian recipe with this spinach that you can make easily in your kitchen. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll come back with more interesting videos. Until then, bye-bye.